How to show hidden apps on your Windows 10 11 screen. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to show hidden apps on your home screen desktop on your Windows 10 11 laptop or PC, here's what you need to do. So as you can see currently I don't have any apps or folders available on my home screen of my Windows 10, or if you are also using Windows 11 it's the same process, so don't worry. So you can basically right click on any of the empty space over here and you can just click on this view option over here, and as you can see currently my show desktop icons option or settings is unchecked, so that is why I'm getting a blank screen over here without my any applications or folders which should be over here based on the choices I've created. So I'll simply head back to this view option after right clicking on any of the empty spaces, and I will just tap on this option that is show desktop icons. So once I tap on this, as you can see all of my folders and files or applications will appear over here just like that. So if you have also hidden applications or folders, you can follow along the search process to get them back. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.